The very first is phishing email. This is one of the most common social engineering techniques by which an intruder can harm your system.
What exactly is phishing, ma'am?
Phishing emails are emails which attempt to get sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit card details, which itself lead to pilferage of money from your account. These phishing emails are sent by malicious parties who disguise themselves as someone you might trust. For example, you may receive a mail which declares as you as the winner of a certain lottery from a certain agency. An unsuspecting user may click on this phishing mail to check what he or she has won. As soon as they open the email, these agencies will send a program to access your system to steal valuable information. This is a very common way by which people get trapped in such tactics.
Oh, this is very dangerous, Nandita ma'am. But one thing I can't understand is why is it called phishing?
Well, the word fish is pronounced just like fish. The phishing email perhaps uses the similarity of a fisherman throwing a hook in the water with bait attached to it and hoping that a fish will bite it and get hooked.
So, we may be hooked into a contraception set up by fraud agencies to gain personal information through the internet?
Definitely, Rajesh. Wait, there is more how these fraud agencies work through the internet.